her killing Richie was one of the most, like, I remember watching that for the first time. I think that was like the season 2 finale of the show, and it was one of the most unexpected. Like, I watched Sopranos for the first time, and Janice shot Richie, and it was like, you're just like this. Like the whole
Yeah.
time, Tony even talks about whacking Richie, and like the whole time you're led to believe like Tony and his crew, like Syl is gonna end up doing it or whoever, and it's gonna get done, and then it's fucking Janice